guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Mwangi and this is your favorite online TV channel. And guys, tuleo bado tuko kwa event ya Bahati, and guess who we have in our show? We have the beautiful, sijui nimseme aje, but she's my favorite digital content creator.
Oh, thank you.
Your greatest fan, Miley.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so guys, today we have Miley Stacy na tunaenda kupiga story kidogo na yeye. Tujue yako hapa kufanya nini, Miley?
Yes.
Tuanze na salamu. How are you?
I'm good.
Tuambie umekama hapa kufanya nini?
I'm here to support the Bahatis as everyone else has come to do. Yeah, I'm just here for the Bahatis.
You're just here for the Bahatis?
Yes.
And Miley, ebu kwanza tuambie uko aje. Tumeruka sana bila kukujulia hali. Tuambie uko aje.
Niko fiti, hustle tu. Kasongo ndo anatukimbiza hii na hii economy, but we're just trying.
Yeah, we're just trying.
Yeah.
And Miley, relationship yako na Bahati na Diana, mko close ama ni ile tu ya online? Unaweza tuelezea kidogo?
With Bahati and Diana, I'll say ni wale friends who turned out into family. They're more of my family than friends. Yeah, I look up to them in terms of so many things. I look up to Diana. Diana actually, she is my role model. I look up to her in terms of family, content creation, the entertainment industry. Yani, the Bahatis for me, naweza taka tu kwa kama when I grow up.
Wow. When you grow up.
When I grow up, I'm still children.
Okay, Miley. Na saizi venye tunaendelea na event, how do you feel? How are you feeling? Your expectations zenye ulikuwa nazo za event na venye umepata, una feel aje?
I'm excited first of all cause atujui Bahatis wametuitia nini, ni harusi si harusi, we are yet to find out, but kama K kama kawa, of course when it comes to the Bahatis, class, aesthetics, kila kitu iko top notch, so expectations zangu wamezimatch.
Na by the way, hebu tuingie hapa kidogo. Hii story ya Bahati kugift Diana imekuwa ikipea ladies, Kenyan ladies sleepless nights. Wengine ati wanajifeel kama ni mikebe.
Ni kama tulikuja hii dunia kusema tu ka ambulance. Wow.
I don't know, according to you, una feel aje, unaweza penda kusemaje kuhusu story?
I love this for them, guys. Being the person that I've seen them closely, Nambianga say these people love each other. They have chemistry, and I love the fact that Bahati is loving Diana out loud. I love it for them. Yani, Bahati is being such a nice gentleman to Diana, and Diana pia ana play role yake as the wife in a very beautiful way, and they're doing amazing, guys. Ni wale wase hawataachana. More is to come, and I wish them all the best.
Okay. And to these fans, ama kwa watu wenye wanasemanga, oh, Diana is faking, Bahati wana fake just for content, unaweza penda kuambia nini kama wewe kama content creator?
By now mnafaa kujua hawa fake. Kwani si Bahati alipea Diana Range Rover blue, si ndio you drive saizi? Kama angekuwa na fake angekuwa nayo. The other Mercedes Geely, nitango hivyo I guess. Wako nayo kwa parking. Igari ya pink aki hiyo bra ila nimeiona kwa parking, guys. So ingekuwa wana fake, they will not be having all these things, but we can see them, so clearly they're not faking.
And what is that one thing yenye unaangalianga kwa kina Bahati na Diana, like you just admire that one thing yenye una admire tu kwao?
The love, the chemistry, and the friendship that they have. Ase wanapendana sana, like ukikaa nao ukikaa nao you can feel like this is a power couple. And the fact that they pray together as a couple, that is a game for me. And Miley, sasa tuingie kwa content yako. Naona pale YouTube umekuwa ukifanya bidii sana. Hebu tuambie siri manze juu. Hiyo consistency yako. Hebu kwanza mimi niambie siri. Siri ni kujituma, guys. Mnaona venye Ruto anatukimbiza na hii economy. If you don't work for it, nothing comes easy. You have to work hard to get what you want. And that is what I've been doing because I'm aiming up there.
And do you have this inspiration? Ama huyu mtu unaangalia juu anakuinspire in content creation?
Diana Bahati.
Anakuinspire kivipi?
In terms of the way she carries herself as a brand, the way she creates content, her family side, in all aspects.
Okay. And Miley, acha nikuulize swali, and if kama utakuwa comfortable kujibu, kama utakuwa comfortable kujibu, it's fine, okay? Kama utakuwa comfortable utatuambia tu. How is the relationship with the three girlies. By the way, I was your fan mkiwa the three team.
Kama TBT.
Now, like, how is it right now? How is your
relationship? Tuko sawa, imagine. Tuko sawa. Not unless kuna kitu inaendelea yenye mimi sijui.
But nimekuwa nikiona fans wengi pale wamekuwa wakiuliza. By the way, fans walikuwa wanawapenda sana mkiwa team, but mmekuwa for a time hamjakuwa mkishoot pamoja. Hebu ambia fans kitu wenye maybe wanajijazia vipi.
There's nothing to say, guys. Tuko sawa.
Mko sawa?
Ni venye tu sasa. It's okay if I decide to shoot with you tomorrow. Manishi nimekosana na kina Maureen. It's okay Maureen decide to shoot na nyinyi. Manisa amekosana na sisi. Alafu you understand, for her it's a podcast. She has to have different people. You get? So hata mkiona mali sisi hatuko, support us individually pia. But it does not mean that sasa tumekosana. No, there's nothing of that sort. Unajua nyinyi fans nyujijazia vitu hata hatuelewi.
Okay. So fans wenye mnajijazia ati sijui mambo ya sijui kukosana nini mtangoja.
Not unless kuna kitu mimi sijui. But venye mimi mali naongelelea sidhani there's any issue.
Oh, there's no issue.
No.
And guys, we have VTV pale nyuma ya camera. I don't know if she has any questions for Miley Stacy.
Okay, hi Miley.
Hi V.
Okay, me I have a question. Today, the Bahatis. And I've seen you with them since way back kabisa wakianza. So my one question was like anything, can you just describe them, how you've grown with them?
If I'll describe the Bahatis, first of all, if you guys, I know so many people will agree, they're very humble. Napendanga hiyo kitu sana about them because they're big stars, you know, but they're very humble when it comes to family. Hawananga hiyo celebrity. Like Bahana dini wase wenye tutakam wachil kwangu, like tukae tu, una get, like hakuna hiyo ati. That is one thing I really admire about them. I also love the fact that besides their work, their day-to-day activities, they can still balance with family. Diana can take care of the kids, Baha can take care of the kids, regardless of everything that goes on, bado wako na time ya watoi na family.
Okay. On the same, since your last relationship was out there on internet, you've never introduced someone else.
And I don't think I will ever.
Why not?
Because tukikosana sasa ni business yenyu. Tafadhali tu tukue tu chini ya maji tukikosana hamjui.
Someone.
Yeah, there is someone.
Oh, but he's comfortable being in a private relationship.
There's a difference between being hidden and being private. Simfichi, we're just being private.
Okay.
Okay. Si ati nimeficha.
Kuja na mbona hujakuja na yeye basi ama amekuwa busy na ile pia maybe amekuwa busy.
Amekuwa busy and he's not someone who sitaki kusema he does not do events sana, but you pop to once in a while. Plus hatutaki at sasa mtu juu ati as a couple ni nini, but time will tell. Kuna siku tu tutatokea pamoja very soon, actually
Very soon.
Tutaamua tu wa surprise, nitamuuliza kama atakubali. Akikubali nitaonyesha ni nani.
And considering mtuambia unapenda hiyo familia ya Bahati sana, do you like picture yourself in future ama do you live like your family setting?
Of course I do. I'll also want to have a family of my own in future.
Okay, Miley, right now venye uko hivi, you are a digital content creator mwenye anaendelea vizuri. Like in 10 years, where do you see Miley mwenye, like in 10 years, where do you see Miley?
In 10 years, I'll be an investor, a very big investor, an entrepreneur. I'm an entrepreneur right now, but not as big as I will be in 10 years to come. I'll be a family woman. Nitakuwa nimeacha hizi mambo za sijui rembo nini. Because I also do fashion modeling.
Okay.
So in 10 years nitakuwa na watoi, nitakuwa bibi ya mtu, I'll have my own family, I'll be a very, very successful entrepreneur, God willing. And I'll just have achieved so many things that I want to achieve.
Alright. And in content creation, what's that one thing that pushes you? Hata ukifeel like leo si feel kufanya content, ni kitu gani huwa inakuinspire na inakupush?
Apart from being passionate about content creation, pesa.
Do.
Naogopanga kuwa broke. Me, I love money, and my money, I work hard for it,
Alright. Sasa tupe advice kwa the upcoming content creators na wenye maybe fans wako wenye wanakuangalia maybe wanaweza penda kuanza YouTube. What can you tell them?
I tell my fans that I have a very supportive fan base on YouTube, and I tell them all you need to do is start. Hakunanga mse, not unless umezaliwa kwa familia president, you have to start from somewhere. Niko shota wewe kuna place ulianzia, you have to have a story. So mimi naambia wase just start. Ukipata hata view moja, wewe bora umeanza. Just keep pushing and pushing, put God first, and God blesses hard work regardless. Wewe bora umejituma, God ata bless the work of your hands.
Okay, now one advice to the Now us, when it comes to love, they give things baha advice.
God's time is the best.
Na tujitume pia.
Tujitume tu, junaona. Kama Diana is really hard working. There's a time.
Yeah.
Alikuwa ananiambia ajalala 1 week. When I get, she wakes up at 4, she goes to the gym, she does all these things. And I was asking her, nilikuwa nauliza, how do you do this? Ako like, inabidi ujitume. Jitume tu because unaona with Diana and Bahati, they're on the same level. Si ati moja ako chini, you get? And for you to get someone on your own level, you have to work hard for it. Usitegemea ati mtu akutoe mwanaume akutoe from 0 to 10 because atakudharau. You having your own money is the biggest power you can ever have in this world.
Right, so that's the advice for all ladies.
Guys, you guys are doing an amazing job. I love the fact that you mnajituma kwa hizi my events and pole tu guys. Kuna siku tutapatana tena mtu mniambia, Miley, unakumbuka ile siku? Niambia, my guys, you did it.
Amen. And sasa tu pair kina Bahati na Diana last like message yako ya leo kwa event.
To the Bahatis fam, you know, I got so much love for you. I'm happy for the milestones. I'm happy for the journey, and I wish you nothing but God's blessing. Yeah.
Alafu sasa ambia fans wako kitu na uambie plans zenye uko nazo, alafu pia ukiwaambia subscribe to my channel na to your channel too.
Okay, fans zangu aki, kwanza YouTube najua mmeningoja, nilikuwa take a break, but I'm coming back bigger and better. Continue supporting your girl, don't give up on me. I'm still coming back to give you content back to back. And also kindly support Irene Mwangi TV and Miley Stacy's YouTube channel and VTV to support sisi wote. Tell a friend to subscribe to these 3 YouTube channels, and God will bless you.
Thanks so much,
Thank you,
Miley. It was nice having you.
Thank you.
All right.